great-grandfather's tool shed? Wooden walls and a worn pegboard where he thoughtfully arranged his tools. Tools that were handed down from your grandfather's father to your grandfather, and so on, until they found their way to you. These tools never needed replacing. There's no built-in obsolescence. They aren't headed for the trash. They are manufactured to work hard and to last for generations. Well-crafted tools never wear out. In fact, by the time they start to show their age, they're only just getting worn in. Built 4 generations by generations since 1954. Walinga engineered transportation equipment is built to last. Reliable equipment that's always ready for a hard day's work. Walinga has been manufacturing bulk transportation equipment for over 60 years, amassing a product lineage that's internationally recognized for durability and longevity. Go with the grain, and you'll find a Walinga. Walinga doesn't build one-size-fits-all. It never has. Not since the first stake and rack truck order back in 1953. A simple courtesy, the act of listening to their customers and delivering on those unique needs, commercialized a niche market. Walinga engineers pre-assemble each custom order in a virtual world. Every component computer plotted and tested before any materials reach the production floor. The entire Walinga process is technology-driven and supported by years of experience. State-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in the U.S. and Canada ensure every component meets exacting specified Walinga tolerances. Highly skilled machinists and fabricators manage the milling and cutting of raw materials. Precision Faro arm measurement technologies vet finished parts and assemblies for quality control, ensuring a perfect fit. Obsessive quality control creates less material waste, eliminates time lost manipulating fit, maintains component integrity, and lubricates a production line. Money saved here means money saved by customers. Paying attention to the details, Walinga ensures the sustainable delivery of value-priced, premium manufactured equipment that will last for generations. Walinga's nimble, cost-effective approach, originally inspired by the demands of the Walinga brand, is now supplying component parts and assemblies for other industries. ISO certified, Walinga's machining division products are finding their way beyond agribusiness and into oil and gas, mining, aviation, forestry, transportation, food and beverage. Precision Walinga built custom parts and assemblies, built to specification, delivered on time and on budget. Moving bulk requires tight tolerances. It sounds counterintuitive, but looser assemblies wear out faster. With Walinga engineered transportation equipment, the only standard is customization. When designing transportation equipment, you can't simply produce the cheapest feed trailer that delivers the fastest way possible. Equipment has to be reliable and stand up to the day-to-day rigor customers demand, depending on routes, bulk product, and distances between deliveries. What works for one customer may not work for another. Walinga ETE and PCS engineers and representative work with customers to ensure any equipment investments are the best solutions for the job. Size does matter. The main auger tube's diameter, thickness of flighting, major shaft size, stub shaft and bearings are all the thickest and/or heaviest in the industry. Durability and longevity are priority. Heavier shafts don't flex. Thicker flighting and larger bearings last longer, all designed to perform relentlessly day after day. In the transportation business, time is money. Tap into a Walinga high-output auger unit's performance and delivery time drop from 24 minutes to 8 minutes. To a driver, that can mean 2 or more extra deliveries per day. To a fleet or mill, that's thousands of dollars in increased production. Matching the increased physical demands put on the trailers, Walinga engineered larger bearings, more powerful drive motors, and robust hydraulic systems ensuring trailers can run 5 to 7 days a week and still last 7 to 10 years. Electronics are helping reduce human error. When feed is put into a trailer, the load receives a barcode for each farm and each feed bin. Upon delivery, when the boom auger swings over a particular bin, if the farm or bin barcodes don't match, the operator won't get a green light. Walinga Smart Boom can tell when it's dangerously close to an overhead power line. High-voltage sensors feel for any electrical threats. An audible alarm will sound and get louder as the threat increases. It's all in the details. Look closely at a Walinga hydraulic system, and you'll notice sweeping elbows and hydraulic tubing. There are no tight elbow black fittings or black pipe. Hydraulic tubing is smoother on the inside, has a higher pressure rating, and provides less resistance, totaling and is highly efficient with less maintenance. Walinga units have helped feed companies with short distances between the mill and farm eliminate between 25 to 30% of their fleet. Instead of handling one load every hour, Walinga are handling 2 loads every hour. Walinga's Low Pro trailer is jam-packed with aerodynamic and safety features. When you engage with Walinga, you're entering a relationship. We are always listening to our customers, and the biggest concerns are always safety and economy. The Walinga Low Pro hits it out of the park with a lowered center of gravity and increased payload. Low Pro trailers are tucked in behind the cab with buttresses that have been redesigned to lower wind draft and improve mileage. Built on a variable thickness aluminum chassis, weight is minimized and strength maximized. All roads lead to increased savings. A lowered center of gravity, especially combined with Walinga active roll stability, helps keep everything rubber side down. Fuel economy is found when vehicles are stationary too. Unloading faster with better hydraulic systems and high-output augers mean trucks run less, consuming less fuel. When sweeping up errant oilseed, grain or any other dry bulk, you're only moving dust into harder-to-reach places. Utilizing any of Walinga's pneumatic conveying systems, and you're actually clearing the air. Pre-cleaners remove and collect particulates for disposal or reclamation. Very little is left floating around to be inhaled, ingested, or left in corners to attract rodents. Visit a mill that uses a system vac and you'll notice right away. More bang, less buck. All of Walinga PCS perform with greater suction consistently over longer distances. Packed with standard features and frequently shipped with accessories that are considered extras from other manufacturers, Walinga PCS products are made up of a lot more than meets the eye. Walinga PCS make transfers a breeze, engineered at every turn to allow bulk product to follow the path of least resistance. Every bend, every coupling, every rhino lining and boom has only one purpose: to minimize bulk damage, promote equipment longevity, minimize maintenance, and make work a breeze for the operator. Walinga's mandate: there are no small projects at Walinga. Each customer is given our full attention. Walinga adheres to one clear and simple mandate: the customer must be completely satisfied. From initial contact to delivery to future service, we guarantee accessibility, professional expertise, and meticulous attention to detail. www.walinga.com